Found in old images, Planet X, Nibiru, discovered in the distant outskirts of the solar system, according to claims. Well, NASA a couple of years ago did tell us that they found a brown dwarf star at the edge of our solar system. So what's with this? More recently, it was believed that people know all 9 planets in the solar system. However, in 2006, Pluto was struck off the list of the elite of our galaxy. However, scientists remain unconvinced that there should still be 9 planets near our star. Thanks to old outer space images, astronomers may have managed to find the very missing planet. The British specialist Michael Rowan Robinson took on such a difficult task. He used archival images of the IRAS telescope, IRAS, which was launched back in the 80s of the last century, and in the number of images there was an object, R20593 plus 6413, which has a strongly inclined orbit and is located literally in the outskirts of our galaxy. Scientists called the Planet X the hypothetical 9th planet of the solar system. 5 years ago, U.S. planetary scientists Konstantin Batygin and Michael Brown of Caltech announced that they had found proof of its existence. According to their calculations, Planet X should be, or Planet 9 they call it, should be at least 100 billion kilometers from our Sun, and should be similar in size to Neptune or Uranus. According to Batygin and Brown, the probability that there is a large planet on the outskirts of the solar system is a whopping 99.6%. They cherish the hope of seeing it through a wide-angle reflector telescope with 3 huge mirrors at the Vera Rubin Observatory in Chile, which is due to be operational this year. If, of course, they understand which way to look, maybe Michael Rowan Robinson will somehow need them. However, the search for the planet has not yet brought success. The researchers only managed to narrow down the zone where it might be, and also to find new hints of its existence. Because of this, many astronomers questioned this hypothesis, and other planetary scientists began to look for alternative options for the location and appearance of Planet X. According to the author of the new article, professor at Imperial College London in the UK, Michael Rowan Robinson, failures in this research may be due to the fact that scientists are trying to find Planet X not where it really is, but somewhere else. They're looking in the wrong place. Guided by this idea, he studied images of the orbiting infrared observatory IRAS. So, of course, it's good to use the infrared because you can see things that are not lit up by our sun's rays. A new location for Planet X. To analyze the images, Rowan Robinson created an algorithm that can filter out all unnecessary sources of infrared radiation that are outside the solar system, such as stars, galaxies, and other large clusters of matter. During his 10-month work, he recorded more than 250,000 such objects. The professor paid particular attention to the remaining, previously unknown to scientists, points that slowly moved across the sky. Their speed showed that they were neither distant light sources such as galaxies nor fast asteroids and comets. Among them, there was not a single one that would satisfy the calculations of Brown and Batygin. However, there were several hundred candidates for the role of alternative versions of Planet X located much closer to our Earth. According to available data, only one of them, object R20593 plus 6413, met all the criteria, and it's located within the Cepheus constellation is several times larger than our Earth, and 225 times farther from the Sun than our planet is. Why was this object ignored for so long? Rowan Robinson suggests that the planet's unusual orbit is to blame. And here he's, of course, indicated the possible location of Planet 9, Planet X Nibiru. Now, all that remains is to wait for scientists to undertake the confirmation of the title of the planet to a new space object. After all, now the conclusions of the astronomer are only theoretical, and a lot of work will have to be done to prove them. So latter, according to Rowan Robinson, may explain why Planet X has not yet been found, since scientists previously did not admit that the 9th planet of the solar system could rotate in this manner. This is on Solask. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box.